Hi, I'm Dr. Annette Farovich from Healthy Mind, Body, Spirit, and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious steel oats. This is part of my New Year's cleanse, a liver and gallbladder cleanse that I'm doing for the new year. So 2 cups of boiled apple juice for every half of cup of steel oats. So I've boiled that apple juice. And now I am pouring in my steel oats, and I'm going to stir these. And because I started with boiling apple juice, I'm going to go ahead now and turn this down to low and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. And while I'm stirring and letting this simmer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a little bit about the New Year's cleanse that I'm doing. So you can find the cleanse that I'm doing on my website, www.healthymindbodyspirit.net. And there I'll have information on everything that you need to get started on your healthy cleanse for a healthy new year. The first thing that you might want to think about doing is ordering your Prove It Challenge. In your Prove It Challenge, you can get for a special price, nearly $100 less than the suggested retail price. You will end up getting protein drinks, enough for a month. You will also get a 30-day supply of your Vitalizer strip, which has your probiotic in there, multivitamins, omega-3s, as well as B and C, your basic supplements that can help you get started right this new year. But in this Prove It Challenge, what you also get is you get their 7-day Shaklee Healthy Cleanse. And this is what you need for your 7 days to do a great liver gallbladder detox. So let's take a look and see how our steel oats are. And if you didn't know, steel oats are actually rolled oats that are just chopped smaller so that they cook faster. After about 30 minutes, you'll decide the consistency that you're looking for in your steel oats. And so I'm going to go ahead and start serving. You might be interested to know that rolled oats and steel oats are nutritionally the same, and they are both whole grain oats, and they are gluten free. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little salt and a little bit of cinnamon. Now remember, I also used apple juice in here, and so using apple juice in here gives me a daily serving of the apple juice that I need in order to complete my liver gallbladder cleanse. I'm going to top it off with some cinnamon apple chips. And I'm also going to top it off with some slivered raw almonds. So this gives it a nice little crunch and a little bit of sweetness. So that's your first breakfast on our liver gallbladder cleanse. If you want more information or recipes on this cleanse, we will begin on January 19th. Visit my website, www.healthymindbodyspirit.net, and I'll have more information and more delicious recipes. Please join me.